What's up and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 7 of Vlogmas and I'm wearing my Manny Emiway shirt. So this vlog is going to be a little different because I'm not doing like any sort of makeup review or anything like that. I'm actually just taking you guys on a vlog. But we are currently on the way to the hospital right now because my dad is actually getting a hip replacement surgery and I just want to be there for that. I'm very glad that he's finally getting this done. He had open heart surgery 2 years ago, and that really scared the life out of me and my family. So I want to make sure that I'm there today for him, and I know that everything's gonna go well, but you know, I do get really worried because it's my dad and it's surgery, and that scares the shit out of me. So I just want to make sure that I'm there, and I'm just gonna vlog it. So this is gonna be more just of a personal vlog, but like I said, we're currently on our way to the hospital so I can go see him before he goes in. And I really hope this really helps out because my dad has a really bad limp because of his hips, so I really do hope that this just really helps him be able to walk around a lot better, because I want to be mobilized for my wedding next year and walk me down the aisle and go visit my sister in England, and he wants to be able to travel and not have any sort of pain. So we're hoping this takes care of that issue. So yeah, let's go ahead and start this vlog. First stop, Starbucks, because this is a 90-minute surgery, so I need some Starbucks. I know my mom wants to grab some food when he's in the surgery, but I'm assuming it's eating hospital food. When my dad actually had open heart surgery and we were at the hospital for days being there, that was literally one of the most stressful times in my life because it was right after the Christmas holidays, and oh my god, I'll never forget that time. Bad time. But I remember being at the hospital, and I thought, you know, because I love Grey's Anatomy. Grey's Anatomy's been one of my favorite shows. I've watched literally the first episode the day it first aired until now. I've never missed an episode, never been late. I've always been caught up. I love Grey's, so I always assume the hospital's like Grey's Anatomy, and it's not like Grey's Anatomy at all. And so we're sitting in the hospital. I don't know how Corey was able to eat, but my mom and me was just kind of sat there. I could barely eat during that time. I lost a lot of weight during that time just because I was so stressed about what was going to happen. But I remember trying to eat that hospital food, and oh my god, it was so gross. But I saw a lot of doctors around, and you know, I am that type of person that likes to ask personal questions. So like when we used to go to the hospital for Jenna and to remove like any tumors and have any surgeries, we would be in her room for hours and hours and hours. And I remember the doctor came in one time and I told him all about baby foreskin and how they use them to cover up big gashes in the leg, how they use them as like new skin grafts, baby foreskin. And I talked to the doctor about it, and the doctor was just like, so like, oh my god, I've never even heard about this. And Jenna's so embarrassed, but she knows that's me. So then I asked the doctor, is this like Grey's Anatomy? Do you guys have on-call rooms where you guys are secretly hooking up with McDreamy? And needless to say, Jenna asked me to kindly step out of the room. And then from then on, I was banned from talking to the doctors because I am that person that will ask doctors just anything and everything that I hear, because I'm a very, very curious person. I like to know a lot of things about the world and stuff. And so I was very, very like, oh my god, is this like Grey's Anatomy? Like, what's the download? Like, what's the key? So you could ask Corey. I was just telling them that I like to ask doctors really inappropriate questions. Like I talked about baby foreskin with Jenna and asked if it's like Grey's Anatomy style there, and that I got kicked out of the room, which is because
super embarrassing.
Yeah, Jenna called me embarrassing because I asked the doctors so many questions, but that's who I am. So yeah. Nice big hospital. It's a really nice hospital. I'm being quiet because I'm sitting inside the little chapel, but this is actually where I sat and my dad had his heart surgery, and god, did I pray like crazy and I cried. But this is just a very peaceful place for me, so I just want to come in here and say a little prayer, even though I know he's gonna be fine. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys, they just take him back, so he'll be down for about 90 minutes, hopefully no later, and everything should be fine. They just say his heart is still a little on the weaker side, but you know, I know everything's gonna be fine. So it's just wanted to come in here and say a little prayer. So we're at Target right now. Just gonna shop around and do a little bit of well, just shopping at Target because it's Target, and oh my god, today has been a day. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you around and because I gotta look for like an ugly sweater, Christmas sweater, and some groceries and some food for the pets, and yeah, just gonna chill around here at Target. This is cute. I would actually wear that. That is very, very soft. Okay, so I couldn't decide between I drink and know things. Winter is coming, and then winter is here with Ghost and the God Tree. But this is the only one this is the only size extra small. The rest are medium and a small, and I just wouldn't fit in them even though they're cute. So I am going to be getting this one today. So yay. Hi there. Look at the little butt. Hi. So cute. Hi guys. Look at the little butt. Or is that balls? Well, I don't know. So cute. Anyone else home? The little gerbil. And then these cute little ferrets. So cute. We are currently at the pet store picking up a couple things for Kaya, but I always get distracted because they are so cute. So cute! Hey guys, so we are now home from the hospital. My hair looks such a mess and I look like shit because I'm about to edit a video, but we are home from the hospital and from going to Target and Petco because we had to go get a couple things. So my dad's surgery was postponed today. It really sucks. They took him back there and then they said they couldn't perform the surgery today, and I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty details about it, but unfortunately I can't do the surgery, and I'm hoping they're able to get him in before the end of the year, but only time will tell. But it does suck because he had everything ready to go, but I gave up my shift to go take him home from surgery tomorrow, for surgery tomorrow, and unfortunately now I don't have a shift, but like at the same time I don't care because I'm going to vlog and edit and actually take the time off to stay home with Corey and play The Sims and be lazy. But sorry, I'm just like looking at myself, sorry, so conceited. But yeah, so my dad could not get the surgery done today, but I'm hoping, like I said, it'll be done by the end of the year. But I know this isn't the typical vlog that I do, but I only said I would share more of my personal life with you guys. So I'm glad that my dad's okay and that he's home safe, and we'll come back to this journey another time, hopefully later this year, before the year is over. But I am going to take a lazy day for myself tomorrow because I go back to work on Sunday all day. Then I work Tuesday, Wednesday. I work all day, every day. Whether it's here or there, I'm always working. But just want to give you a quick update. I'm glad you guys got to come on this short little journey with me. I know it might be kind of like a short, boring video, but it's my life. I literally had nothing to do today and except be there for my dad. So like I said, it's a Vlogmas. I'll be vlogging every single day, and this is part of it. So hopefully you guys liked what you guys saw. The hospital was beautiful, decorated very, very beautifully. And yeah, that was my life today in adventures. Now I'm going to edit a video and play some Sims and be lazy. Oh, and I have to say that this Manny MUA sweater that I got from Mystery Box is freaking comfortable. So comfy. So anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for being here for Vlogmas Day 7, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.